Are you still manually adding your contacts in the Google Contact? Then let me show you the working of this automation, where as I will make a new entry over my Google Sheet, an automated contact will be created in my Google Contacts. So right here you can see that right now I don't have any contact yet. So now let's make a new entry and see the change. So right here you can see that I have made this entry providing the first name as test, last name as user, email and the phone number. And now an automated contact might be created in my Google Contacts account. So now let's move on towards my Google Contacts, where I'm going to just refresh this page. And right here you can see that we are successfully receiving this contact having the same details of the lead which I have just entered over my Google Sheet. So you can see the working of this amazing automation by using which I'm successfully creating my Google Contact for my Google Sheet leads. So now I don't have to do anything manually, because as soon as I will receive a new entry over my Google Sheet, an automated contact will be created in Google Contacts. So now I'm going to show you how you can integrate your Google Sheet with Google Contacts for automated contact creation. And for that, we are going to use this amazing automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool by using which you can integrate your varieties or thousands of business applications. So now let's move on towards the workflow page and see how you can create this automation without requiring any coding or technical skills by just integrating both these applications easily. So now let's move on towards the workflow page. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can access by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will be getting two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free, and Pabbly Connect is currently offering you the free trial. Means you can create and try this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And if you like this automation tool and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I'm going to provide you an amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discount on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the workflow page, where I'm going to select my trigger application. So trigger is the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So right here in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new lead entry over my Google Sheet. So here I have selected my trigger application. Now let's select the app event as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now let's build the connection. And here we are getting this webhook URL, which is going to act as a bridge between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect, so that we can build the connection and can easily fetch the leads data from the Google Sheet. So now let's copy this webhook URL, and now let's move on towards my Google Sheet, where I have already made a new entry in this sheet named as leads. And now for adding the webhook URL, you just have to move towards the extensions, select add-ons and select get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you have to search for the app that is going to be Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So here I have selected it, and here you can see that this app is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to go towards extensions, where you will see this option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks, where you have to select the initial setup to get the initial setup dialog box. And here I'm going to enter the webhook URL which I have just received from the Pabbly Connect. And now for the trigger column, you have to enter the last data column of your Google Sheet, which is D. So here I'm going to enter the trigger column as D. Now let's submit it by simply selecting the submit button. And here you can see that our setup has been created. Now we just have to send a test data to the Pabbly Connect. So for that, we are already having a test entry. So I'm going to simply select this button, that is send test, and the test data is sent successfully. And this test data is sent to this webhook, which is the Pabbly Connect webhook. So now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, where you can see that we have successfully received the response consisting all the details which I have just filled over my Google Sheet. So now as you will make a new entry over the Google Sheet, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect. But for that, you have to perform one more operation, that is you have to go towards the Google Sheet, select extensions, select Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event so that you don't have to send the data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect can automatically fetch it as soon as you will make a new entry. Now let's create an automated contact in the Google Contacts. So for that, I'm going to use my action application followed by this trigger application. So here I'm going to select my action application as Google Contacts. So now let me search for it. And right here we are getting this application which I have selected. Now let's select the app event as create contact and click over this connect button. And here for building the new connection, you have to sign up with your Google account. And right here I'm going to use this account. So here I have selected it. And right after this, I'm going to allow the access by simply selecting this continue button. And here you can see that the connection has been built in and we are getting all these fields. So the first field we are getting for entering the first name of the user. So now you might be thinking that I will manually type my leads entry like this. But no, because Pabbly Connect provides us a method called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets, as this is my previous application. And the process is so simple, you just have to press the slash symbol. And right here we are getting our previous application. So from its response, I'm going to map the first name of my user, and likewise I'm going to map the last name of my user too. So here I have mapped it, and now let's map the rest of the details. So here I have mapped all these fields, and for this field, that is gender, I'm going to enable this map button and leave this field blank. Now let's move on forward, and here I'm going to enable this map button for this event type as well and leave this field blank, and same for the URL type and relationship type too. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request for sending this data to the Google Contacts, so that a contact can be created. And here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a contact might be created. So now let's move on towards my Google Contacts, where I'm going to just refresh this page. And here you can see that we are successfully receiving this contact having the same name, email, phone number for which I have just made an entry over my Google Sheet. So now you can see that I have successfully built in this automation within few minutes, by using which I'm creating Google Contact for my Google Sheet leads. So now you can also do this by just using one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. And you have seen that you don't require any type of coding or technical skills for creating this automation. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.